Hey, welcome to Tutorial Law. This video explains what the libertymutual.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to Liberty Mutual, its website lets customers get insurance quotes, manage policies, make payments, access documents, and handle claims online. Liberty Mutual offers insurance products including auto, homeowners, renters, condo, motorcycle, and other types of coverage. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. For auto insurance, Liberty Mutual offers coverage options including liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist, medical payments, and other optional coverage. Available coverage and requirements vary by state and individual policy. According to Liberty Mutual, customers can get an auto insurance quote online by providing information about themselves, their vehicles, drivers, and existing insurance. Insurance premiums are personalized, and the price depends on factors such as location, driving history, vehicle, selected coverage, and applicable discounts. Liberty Mutual offers multiple discounts for qualifying auto insurance customers. Its current website lists options including multi-policy, multi-car, homeowner, military, good student, paperless policy, and automatic payment discounts. Discount availability and savings vary by state and policy. Liberty Mutual also offers RightTrack, its telematics program for eligible auto insurance customers. According to Liberty Mutual, RightTrack uses driving information to personalize a customer's discount. Depending on the state and program version, driving information can include mileage, time of day, acceleration, braking, and other driving behaviors. Program availability, eligibility, and potential savings vary by state. Liberty Mutual also provides homeowners insurance with coverage for areas including the home, personal belongings, liability, and additional living expenses after eligible covered losses. Customers can bundle qualifying home and auto policies, with applicable savings depending on the customer and location. Liberty Mutual's online account lets customers view policies, pay bills, update billing information, access documents, and manage supported policy details. Customers can also file and track eligible claims online or through the Liberty Mutual mobile app. The app provides supported features including digital insurance ID cards, payments, policy information, and claims access. Liberty Mutual states that insurance products and services are offered by its affiliated insurance companies, with availability varying by state. Coverage, premiums, discounts, payment options, and product availability can change, so users should check the terms provided for their specific quote or policy. For users interested in getting insurance quotes or managing an existing Liberty Mutual policy online, Liberty Mutual could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.